In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your current loot value. If you've ever finished a run, opened your bag, and wondered how much your haul is actually worth right now, there's a quick way to see it without adding anything up yourself. This is perfect for deciding whether to keep looting, head to an extraction, or free up space by ditching low-value items. Start by opening your inventory. However your controls are set up, the goal is simply to bring up the screen that shows your character, your gear, and the items you're carrying. Once you're there, look for the section labeled Loadout. Directly underneath that label, you'll see two key pieces of information sitting side by side. One is your weight limit, which tells you how much you can carry before you get encumbered. Right next to it is the number you're here for, your current loot value. That number represents the total value of everything in your inventory at this moment. It updates dynamically, so you don't have to refresh anything. Think of it as a running checkout total for your bag. As you pick up items, combine stacks, or move gear in and out, the value adjusts instantly to reflect the contents you're actually carrying. To see this in action, try removing a few items you don't need. Drop them from your inventory, and watch what happens to the value next to your weight limit. You'll see it decrease immediately, confirming that those items are no longer part of your total. The same goes in the other direction. Pick up something valuable, and the number ticks up on the spot. This is a great way to make quick, informed choices in the middle of a run without pausing to do mental math. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. If you're pushing your weight limit, keep an eye on both numbers at once. Sometimes dropping a heavy, low-value item boosts your movement and barely affects your total value, which is a smart trade-off when you need to move fast. Also remember that displayed value is typically the game's current estimate based on vendor pricing. It's a reliable guide for decision-making, but actual returns can vary if the game applies taxes, fees, or reputation modifiers when you sell. That's all there is to it. Open your inventory, glance under loadout, and use the weight limit and loot value together to manage your run efficiently. With this quick check, you can prioritize the right items, avoid going overweight, and know exactly when your bag is worth cashing out.